Bonjour tout le monde, j'espère que vous allez bien. Despite having the best French linguistic skills, people tend to fail in this exam. TEF Canada is apparently not that difficult the way it seems and sounds. However, it is important to know what could be the reasons that you should know while you sign up for this exam. Today in this video, we are going to talk about these reasons and I hope you don't make these mistakes. Let's start. C'est parti! The first reason is hasty decision. I often get the call wherein people say, ma'am, I want to crack this exam ASAP because my IELTS score is getting expired. Yes, true, IELTS could get expired very soon and you want to pass this exam. And another reason could, because of my forthcoming birthday, my CRS score is getting low. Yes, there could be different reasons because of which you want to sign up for this exam very quickly and you want to get over with this. However, this should not be the valid reason because of which you may fail because you're not ready. And if you're not ready, what I would suggest to you is that hold your horses, get ready for the exam. Perhaps you can take the IELTS again, and even if the birthday is coming across, let it be. Enjoy your birthday and then pass your exam with flying colors instead of reinvesting your time and energy and money in the exam again and again. So from here, we go to the reason number 2. No idea about the exam pattern. Believe you me, every exam is different. Like for example, DELF has a different pattern. TEF has a different pattern. TCF has a different pattern. And despite having a different patterns, I know they come from the French fraternity. What you need to know is catering to the exam pattern which you are going to take. For example, people think that if they've taken the DELF, they're ready for the TEF, which could not be the case. Because even if you pass the DELF exam, you need to prepare for the pattern of the TEF exam. So let's say after having passed DELF exam, whether it is B1 or B2, perhaps you can just prepare for 3 to 4 months for the TEF and you'll be ready. You'll be good to go for the TEF exam as well. So please keep your pattern ready. Mind you, you should know the pattern well. And for that, you can watch my several other videos, or maybe you can put it in the comment box. You can subscribe my channel because this channel brings lots and lots of material for you for the TEF Canada exam, which could help you to shorten your journey and pass this exam very quickly. From here, we go to the reason number 3. People think that they are ready. Actually, it's you. Who could be better than you? Who would know that are you really ready for the exam? Are your ears tuned for the comprehensive oral? Do you have a fluidity and that fluency in the language which you have to bring on board? If all of these factors which I'm mentioning, apart from the best grammar linguistic skills, you're not ready, then I would suggest don't sign up until you're ready for this step. When you go in the exam hall, you already have a lot of pressure. You're equipped with the utter pressure of passing this exam, and on the top of it, if you are really not ready to take that pressure, then it could actually put your efforts down in the drain, which is definitely not our purpose. So what do? Do pass this exam, sign up when you're really ready for it. From here, I go to the reason number 4. The reason number 4 is generally students just cram the phrases and they think that if I'll speak few phrases, few tenses, few grammar, then I'll be good to go. No, I'm so sorry, but it doesn't work like that. They really want to know your French linguistic skills, and for that you have to have an appropriate language and appropriate words, sentences, phrases which are fitting at the right places, and this cramped philosophy won't work. So don't try that out. And from here I come to the reason number 5. The reason number 5 could be your confidence. Perhaps you have the best grammar skills and you're also ready for the other sections of the TEF exam. However, if you do not have the confidence, because in the phase of l'oral, during the l'oral exam, express your oral speaking exam, you have to ooze out the lot of confidence in your speaking, because that is how you manage to impress the examiner. And if you lack this confidence, then I'm not sure if you're still ready for the exam. Grammar is an important aspect. Apart from that, your confidence, and another thing which is really important is the knowledge. All of these factors are important to make you feel whether you're ready or not for this exam. To sum up all, this exam is not difficult at all as it may sound to you. People take multiple attempts because they're not ready, they take hasty decisions, and all other 5 reasons which I've mentioned in my video. Apart from these reasons, if you think that you managed everything and despite that you failed this exam, please mention in the comment box that what is it something that is stopping you. Subscribe my channel, please like and share too, because your support means a lot to me, and that's how I get to know that what all videos I have to make on. Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.